Hi guys, how are you doing? I hope you're doing amazing. If you're new here, hello. Welcome to this amazing channel. I hope you stay by hitting that subscribe button for more amazing skincare contents like this one. And if you're a returning subscriber, hi, what's up? And also do not forget to like this video for me as it is also very important, okay? So in today's video, I am here to share my first impression of this beauty formula retinol anti-aging gel cleanser, this one right here. All right, so retinol is a very good anti-aging ingredient that can help with fast skin cell turnover. That way your skin will always be looking very young without wrinkles, fine lines and the likes. So if you're 25 years and above, I will urge you to start using retinol in your skincare routine, because immediately you hit 25, the collagen production in your skin begins to reduce. It begins to reduce to a point where it is not able to keep your skin looking very young, okay? So if you add retinol to your routine, it is going to help to boost collagen production in your skin so that your skin will always be looking firm and not wrinkly or saggy. Do you understand? That is why I decided to include this beauty formula retinol gel cleanser into my routine, and I used it for the first time yesterday or 2 days ago, I can't remember. So I am here to share my experience as a first time retinol user with this beauty formula product, okay, and to also advise you on some mistakes that you should not be making when you start using retinol, because retinol is a very active product. If you don't use it well or in the right way, it can irritate your skin and actually destroy your skin barrier. But if you go about it the right way, retinol can be your best friend forever, okay? So now this is a retinol facial wash. Retinol can come in a form of a serum or a moisturizer, okay? And I decided to go with a facial wash, something that I can easily just wash off my face, because I want to start slow. I don't want to leave retinol on my face overnight, okay? And this is what I experienced with it. Now, the first mistake I made with this facial wash is pouring a lot in my palm and using it on my skin, forgetting that it is a retinol body. It is a retinol facial wash and not a regular facial wash. I don't know what I was thinking, okay, but then I used a lot on my skin. I actually realized that after using the product, I'm like, I've made a huge mistake, but it was too late to rectify that mistake. So I came in, and another mistake that I made was that I did not also wait for my skin to dry out completely before going on with the next product. Yeah, so those were the two mistakes that I made when I used this retinol 2 days ago. So in the middle of the night, I woke up with a very strong burning sensation on my face, and I was trying to recollect what I did wrong, only for me to remember that, okay, I used the retinol facial wash and I did this and I did that. I used a lot. I also did not wait for it to dry out completely from my skin before going ahead to use my moisturizer, which is my aloe vera gel. Aloe vera gel is a very soothing ingredient that you can use along with retinol, but you need to wait for your retinol product to completely dry out from your skin before you use the next product on your skin, or you need to wait for your skin to completely dry out before you use your retinol product. Do you understand? So those were the two mistakes that I made with this beauty formula facial wash with retinol in there, okay, and that was why I was getting those burning sensations, okay. But if I had used a very pea-sized amount on my face, used that to wash my face, and waited for about maybe 15 minutes after drying out my skin with my facial towel before I use my moisturizer, I bet you that I wouldn't have had all those burning sensations on my skin. Now, those burning sensations did not go away when I washed my face again. It actually took some time, about 48 hours, before I began to feel some relief, okay. So now, if you've used retinol on your skin and you notice that you're having burning sensations on your skin, or your skin immediately becomes red, what you have to do is not to use active products, okay. Avoid using your vitamin C serum or even your niacinamide. Although niacinamide is a soothing ingredient, I decided not to put niacinamide on my skin for 1 day. All I did was to wash my skin with a mild facial cleanser or bar soap, this Dove Pink right here, which you know is a very good facial bar soap, and it is also very, very mild, right? So that is what I did. I washed my skin with this Dove bar soap and only use my sunscreen during the day. Follow up with my very soothing aloe vera gel and then my sunscreen during the day. Now before I stepped out into the sun, I made sure that there was sunscreen on my skin so that my skin doesn't become too sensitive to the sun, because this already has in a way damaged my skin barrier. Do you understand? So that was what I did, and now I don't have those burning sensations anymore. But I'm still going to wait for some time, for about 1 week, before I go back to this Beauty Formula retinol facial wash. So that is how you need to be using your retinol product. Like, you need to be very, very cautious with it. If you feel like it is making your skin burn, take a break from it, okay? Make sure your skin is healed up before you go back to using your retinol products again. Do you understand? Yeah. Now the other reason why I feel like this was giving me burning sensations was maybe I didn't use enough skin barrier protecting ingredients after using this facial wash. So I am going to buy this Beauty Formula hyaluronic acid serum or their ceramide serum and use it after using my Beauty Formula retinol face wash. Okay, so if you are planning to buy this Beauty Formula facial wash, please make sure that you also buy their Beauty Formula ceramide serum or their hyaluronic acid serum. Use that after using this Beauty Formula face wash. Then after that, top up with a very gentle moisturizer, but make sure that your skin has dried out completely after using this facial wash before you follow up with your other hydrating products. Okay, so that was my first experience with this Beauty Formula facial wash, and the little advice that I have for you if you are planning to get this facial wash, or if you are planning to get any other retinol products. Okay, another thing I've noticed about this Beauty Formula facial wash is that there is no percentage of, like the percentage of retinol in here is not written on this Beauty Formula cleanser. Okay, so you wouldn't know if it is in a low strength or if it is in a high strength. Low strength of retinol is 0.1% to 0.3%. Anything from 0.03% is a higher strength of retinol in that particular product. Now they've not written any percentage on this facial wash, but because it is very affordable, I got this for 40 Ghana cedis. I feel like the retinol in here is not that much. Okay, so I'm very sure it is between the 0.01 to the 0.03%. Okay, so you can definitely buy this Beauty Formula if you are not sure of the percentage in there. Okay, it is not in a higher strength, so as a beginner you can buy this facial wash. But if you have a sensitive skin, please stay away from this Beauty Formula. And now, if you have a sensitive skin, I would not recommend this for now. Okay, I would want to use it continuously to know how it actually feels on my skin before I can say anything about it, if it's actually good for sensitive skin or not. But I have an oily skin and my skin is also very resilient, and that is why I am going to go ahead with this retinol anti-aging cleanser or facial wash from Beauty Formula. Okay, so if you have a sensitive skin, you might want to wait for my review before deciding if you want to buy or not. Okay, thank you so much for watching this video till the very end. If you haven't subscribed, or if you're not subscribed already, hit that subscribe button right below for more amazing skincare contents and skincare reviews like this one, and I'll catch you in the very next video. Till next time, take care and stay blessed. Love you. Bye.